But let's begin with some very positive news this evening, because Shubman Gill, the Indian cricket captain, has scored a remarkable double century in the Birmingham Test match. That's right. That's the big story that's coming at the moment. The highest score by an Indian against England in England. It's the highest score also by an Indian captain ever. Captain's knocked by Gill in only his second test as captain. Back-to-back centuries for Shubman in his first two tests as Indian captain. So lots of records being broken and equal there by Shubman Gill. He's the new toast of Indian cricket. The new Indian 25-year-old captain has really dominated that innings in Birmingham. I want to go straight across to Rahul Rawat, who's live in Birmingham. Rahul, this is a very special moment. We are seeing the birth of possibly the next big superstar of Indian cricket. After Sachin, Virat Kohli, it's now Shubman Gill.
Well, hopefully yes, and now he also has a signature bat that says on the sticker of that bat it reads Prince. So I hope he takes that elevation. But a super knock, Rajdeep. I was here on the eve of the Test match, and Shubman was actually asked about the two collapses that India had in the last game. Perhaps one of the primary reasons that India also lost that test match, because the momentum then shifted towards England. But Shubman, like any other captain, said that it could have been me also. The reason could have been me also. I made 147 in that test match, and what I could have done was that I could have extended my stay and could have stitched a longer partnership with Rishabh Pant. And look what he did today or yesterday. He came in at a tricky situation. India's score was 91 for 2. He had lost 2 quick wickets in a quick succession rather. And thereafter what he did, he not only ensured that England do not enjoy any such favors or situation like they had in Leeds, but also went on to score the highest score by an Indian Test captain. 269, India's score now reads over 580. I think India, what Shubman Gill and this team India has ensured that there are only 2 results possible now in this game. One is, of course, an India victory, and the other would be a draw.
Well, quite remarkable. As someone who has tracked Indian cricket for decades, all I can say is Shubman Gill is a master class. He is someone who I have no doubt will go on to become one of the legends of this game. I remember tweeting in January of 2021 when he made his test debut and I saw him play for the first time that you have someone here who will score minimum 6,000 test runs. I want to revise that. I believe that Shubman Gill will score a minimum of 8,000 test runs, if not more. He's that good. He is really someone who could go on to rewrite Indian cricket history. That's why we've led with it today. We don't usually lead with cricket, but this is a special moment. Shubman Gill, highest ever score in England by an Indian batsman. Okay, all the plaudits are going there for Shubman Gill.